When Albert Einstein first discovered the theory of relativity, the entire process was extremely complex. Einstein himself understood the theory thoroughly, but wherever he went, people would ask him, "Explain, what exactly is the theory of relativity?" He would be troubled, because the subject is subtle and complicated, yet it contains a very deep truth about life. What Mahavira called Syadvad in the spiritual domain is what Einstein discovered in the scientific domain. What Mahavira declared as a philosophical principle, Einstein revived 2,500 years later through scientific foundations. For Mahavira, it was simply a conceptual proclamation. Mahavira's idea is also difficult, which is why he didn't get many followers. The concept is complicated, and the followers of Mahavira you see today are mostly born into it. They themselves do not understand much. Only a few people must have been initiated by Mahavira. Even today, Jains are only about 3 million. If even 30 couples had been initiated by Mahavira, then in 2,500 years their descendants would have grown into millions. Not many people would have actually chosen initiation. Humans reproduce like mice, at least in this country. Einstein's ideas also were not understood by many, so he found an example to explain it. Whenever someone asked, he would say, "The theory is complex, but let me give you an example. Maybe you'll understand." He said, "Imagine someone makes you sit on a hot pan. A clock is in front of you. It is ticking at its usual pace, second by second. The pan is getting hotter. You are burning. You start to panic and sweat. A few seconds will feel like hours. And if you have to sit on that hot pan for an hour, it will feel like years have passed. In suffering, time becomes long. The clock moves at the same pace. But to the one sitting on the hot pan, it seems like the clock has become dishonest, moving slowly today. Its ticking feels lazy, hesitant, as if it has decided to torture you." Einstein then adds, "Now imagine you meet your beloved after years. You're holding her hand under the full moon sky. The same clock is ticking, but now hours pass like moments. The night slips away like a gentle breeze. Your mind says, 'Dishonest clock, it moved too fast today.' The clock is the same. Its movement is the same. It doesn't know when you sat on a hot pan or when you held your beloved's hand. The clock knows neither your new moon nor your full moon. It's just a mechanical device. But the psychological perception of time within you, this stretches or contracts. Your experience shapes your sense of time. When experience is painful, time lengthens. When experience is blissful, time shortens. Therefore, in the moment of supreme joy, the moment of samadhi, time disappears altogether. Time does not remain. And in the moment of extreme suffering, what we call hell, Christians are right when they say hell is eternal. In this matter, I agree with Christians more than Hindus, Jains, or Buddhists, even though their doctrine doesn't hold up logically. It is related to this. Hell is not actually infinite, but the suffering of hell is so intense that it feels infinite. Just as the bliss of samadhi is so deep that it becomes timeless, time dissolves. Similarly, in hell there is only time, endless time. It seems like the end never comes. In hell, morning never arrives. The night feels endless. In heaven, night never arrives. The day feels endless. These are internal perceptions. Those who speak gloriously about renunciation, they are speaking from their internal perception. They are still entangled in pleasures. Wealth still grips them. Their talk of giving up wealth only reveals how attached they still are. They are still counting elephants and horses, how many they have left behind. Hansa to Modi Chun.